Efficient with an impressive range of over 1,000 nautical miles and sports a cruising speed of 175 knots or 201 miles per hour. Now you may notice that the plane needs to be parked on the nose after the show, and the reason for that is with the engine behind the main gear, it needs the weight of the pilot to hold the nose down, otherwise it would fall on the engine, and that would ruin your Saturday afternoon real fast. All right, Kyle Fowler rolling the aircraft upright on that downward 45-degree line. He's going to pick up lots of smash here to get ready for his next maneuver. Kyle is from Central Alberta, Canada. Got his start in air shows at the age of 12 when he began to announce his act for his dad, Ken Fowler, who flew air shows for many, many years, both as a solo performer and Team Rocket. All right, arcing up towards our right, giving you another great look at the profile of this airplane. Another half Cuban 8 turnaround. Again, he's working very hard to keep this performance right in front of us and keeping it inside the aerobatic box that I just told you about. This is a 2-seat aircraft, folks. And if you follow Kyle on his social media, Go Easy Aerobatics, I believe it is, on Instagram, you'll see some great video, even of his good partner, Miranda, flying in the back. Kyle purchased the Long Easy back in 2015. He holds a commercial multi-IFR license and flies the Navajo for the company he works for. Now let's watch for the 4-point hesitation roll. There's 1 to knife edge, there's 2 to upside down, there's 3 to knife edge again, and 4. Giving you another great look at the unique profile of this airplane, plus this incredible I think, folks, just to adjust for the density altitude here today, I think Kyle is just going to do a couple of lazy turns out there. As he turns back in towards the crowd, get another good look at that Long Easy.